earn $99 every time that you post a picture on Instagram. Just imagine if in the last month you have posted 10 pictures and you have been using this method. Right now you will have almost $1,000 just by posting on Instagram. And as you can see on the screen right here, this is an example that if you have, for example, 15,000 followers and a certain engage rate, you can earn almost $100 per post. If you have less followers, you will earn less money. And if you have more followers, you will earn more money. And this is a very simple method, and it's how most people on Instagram are making tons of money, because you can earn money just simply posting a picture on Instagram, and everything is based on advertising and sponsorship. Because just think that if you post a picture maybe on your car with a certain drink in the cup holder, you can earn money because you are driving traffic to that product, and people will see the product, and you are making advertising for that company, so that company will pay you money in order to promote their product. And it's a very simple concept that you can use on two main ways. The first one is your personal profile, and the second one is a page, a niche page. Let's say, for example, that you have your own personal profile, maybe around fitness, maybe around business, or maybe without a topic. You just post your lifestyle. That's good. From there, you just start connecting your profile to the platform that I will show you in the next minutes, and then you will find a ton of deals, and you will find out exactly how much money you can make per post based on the insights of your own Instagram profile. And by doing that, you can simply mix the product, the sponsorships with your own lifestyle. Let's say, for example, that maybe you go out and instead of using a random t-shirt, you use a t-shirt from a sponsored partner, so you can earn for that post. And if you post a picture on Instagram with a normal t-shirt, you will earn $0. But if you post a picture with the right brand that will pay you money, you can earn $100 per post, or even more, depends on your profile. And then we have the other side, that is a page. Create a page maybe around animals, around fitness, around cars, around motivation, whatever you want. But then once you have your own page, you start creating a ton of content around that niche, so you can grow the page, grow the followers, grow the engagement. And then maybe every 5 pictures you post a sponsored post, so you can get money from that post. Or even, let's say, for example, that you can create a quote page as the one that you are seeing right now on the screen, and then you post a simple text, and then on the background you have an image, and you can use a sponsored image, so you can make money with every single post. And if you post 10 posts a day and you earn $100 per post, as you can see, it's easily $1,000 a day just for posting pictures on Instagram. And you can keep doing that over and over, and even you can create multiple pages, so you are not earning just from one page, but you are earning from multiple pages, and you have multiple content and multiple streams of income. And the best way on how you can create posts for your Instagram profile, it can be your personal or it can be a page, it's canva.com. You simply go there on this software and you can create tons and tons of mockups, tons of graphics, collage, and all sort of posts that you can share on social media. Then once you have the post, once you have everything ready, you need to be sure to give an incredible visibility to your post. So you need to choose the right hashtags. Now go online, for example, on this website, and look for the best hashtags. Once you have your post created, you have your hashtag, your description, and you have everything, and you are ready to post your picture, just go on the website socialbluebook.com. The link is down in the description. And then from there you sign up and you start your business on Instagram. You start getting paid for just posting pictures. And as you can see, you can easily earn $100 per post on Instagram by using this platform socialbluebook.com. Just click the link down below, sign up and start your plan so you're sure to get monetized and earn a ton of money from Instagram just by simply posting pictures. And I am using this strategy with a lot of people that I know, and especially a lot of my clients, because I have some clients that they want to grow on Instagram, they want to start making money, but in order to find the big deals and maybe get sponsorships, sometimes it's very hard because you need to have maybe 1 million followers or 200,000. You need to have big numbers. But by using this platform that you find the link in the description, you can earn money even if you have just 1,000 followers, and even if your engage is not so high. Yes, the money will be less, but you can still make money just by simply posting Instagram picture. It's pretty much a dream. And if you want to grow your profile, but more important, if you want to grow your income using this platform, you need to increase two things. The first one is followers. You need to get more followers, because more followers do you have, the more money you get per post. And then also you need to know how to increase the engagement on your post. So if you have 10,000 followers and on average you get 1,000 likes, you need to understand and test on how to go up and reach maybe 2,000 likes per post. And by doing that you can make more money and increase your income. So maybe you can post less, so you can work less hours, but you can make more money just because you have a bigger audience and a bigger engagement rate. And then from there you can start your influencer career, because from there, once you start getting money, you can reinvest those money to create better content. You can monetize again your posts, and then you will have more sponsorships from here and there, so you can also help other people to make money. You can coach other influencers, and you will start your career as an influencer just by simply using this platform socialbluebook.com, that you find the link in the description. And in order to make more money, you need to have more followers. And in this next video right here, I will show you exactly how to increase your followers organically on Instagram. I see you there.